So what should you expect when selling your home this summer? Hi everybody, I'm Bob Sokoler, owner of the Sokoler team at Remax Properties East. So you're thinking about selling your home this summer, but you're not quite sure of what to expect. Well, maybe you've heard it's still a good time, or perhaps you're wondering why some homes are sitting while others sell fast. Well, taking a deep breath, the truth is the market is shifting. Inventory is up, buyers have more options, and they're taking their time. So if you want to sell quickly and avoid price cut, there are a few things you need to do before you list your home. So let me walk you through 3 simple steps, but essential steps to help you stay ahead of the summer market. We'll start with number 1. Fix the little things before you list. The first thing is first, you want to get ahead of buyer objections. Most buyers right now are tight on cash because of higher interest rates. That means they don't want to take on repairs right after closing. So before you list, walk through your home, maybe with your agent, and look for anything that might be a red flag. Are there loose doorknobs? Is the paint scuffed? The walls have marks on it? Is there a leaky faucet in the bathroom maybe, right? Or in the kitchen? Well, now's the time to fix it. They may seem like minor issues, but together they shape how your home feels and whether buyers see it as move-in ready or a project. And if you've got these little things around, buyers start wondering, well, oh, wait a second, what am I not seeing? What's going on with the house that maybe has not been repaired? So that starts this cascade of concerns about a house. Now, if those repairs are needed during the inspection, they could cost you more later or even kill a deal. I'll give you an example. Let's just say the leaky faucet in the kitchen is simply a washer that needs to be replaced. And you're fairly handy, or you can go to YouTube and look it up, right, how to replace a washer. And you can do it yourself. The cost, maybe a couple of bucks for the washer, right? But if you wait for the inspection and the inspector comes, he writes up the leaky faucet, the buyer's agent is going to put in the repair request. The request needs to be done by a licensed plumber. You know what that means. That is an additional 50 or $100 maybe at minimum to have the plumber come out. That's why it's important to get ahead of these things and do it now. Number 2, create a space buyers can picture themselves in. So staging is important. And no, this doesn't mean hiring a designer or buying all new furniture. It means creating a clean, neutral space that helps buyers imagine living there. So you start by decluttering. You clear off countertops, you remove extra furniture, you box up anything personal like family photos or bold artwork, things that might offend a potential buyer. And okay, I'm not a hunter, but I will tell you, if you've got pieces of animals, heads, the like, on the walls, it will possibly offend the buyer. My suggestion is just remove them and store them temporarily in a box in a garage. Nothing against hunting, but I'm just telling you, you're trying to appeal to the masses. And there are some people who just don't want to see a deer head mounted on a wall. I'm just being honest with you. You want to create a space to feel open and calm. And simple touches like fresh towels in the bathroom, laid out nicely, or a bowl of lemons in the kitchen helps buyers focus on your home's best features instead of your personal style. And when they see themselves living there, well, that's when offers start to come in. I always say, in the hot months of the summer, leave out water that may be sitting in a bowl with ice to keep the water cold, maybe some cookies and a little note. Hey, I know you may be seeing a number of homes today. Go ahead and take one of these waters and some cookies and enjoy the rest of the day. That will help you stand out in the buyer's mind because they're going to remember your cookies and how nice you were with the water, and that may make them think, ooh, I remember the cookie house, because you actually call homes by something that stands out to them to refresh memories as you're going to different homes. I'm telling you. Number 3, make a plan for showings. Here's something many sellers overlook. How your home feels during showings actually matters. If you have young kids or pets, keeping the house clean and distraction-free can be tricky. Well, that's why it helps to plan ahead. Talk to your agent about the best times to show your home and set a schedule that works. If you can step out during showings, take the pets with you and the kids, of course, your buyers will feel more comfortable and spend more time exploring the home. It takes a little effort, I get it, but it goes a long way towards creating the right impression. In fact, I always tell our clients, as sellers, you don't want your seller agent there, and you don't want to be there because buyers are looking over their shoulder, trying to see if you or your agent is there, if they're being spied on, the buyers are being spied on, and they can't talk freely about what they like or don't like about the house. The buyer's agent is there to help overcome objections. So if there's something negative, hopefully a good buyer's agent will be able to counter the objection with something that might be positive. Oh, I don't like this color paint. The agent would say, well, it's only paint. You can do it, or you can hire somebody in. It'll cost you this amount of money to repaint this area. Selling a home in the summer of 2025 is absolutely doable, but it takes the right prep and a smart plan. Fix what needs fixing, stage your space to show it off, and make it easy for buyers to visit. If you want to help figuring out where to start or what repairs to focus on, well, hey, I'm happy to walk you through all of it. Just reach out and we'll put a plan together that helps your home sell quickly and for the best price. And remember, I have a radio show every Sunday morning from 8:30 to 9 a.m. on 840 WHAS. We talk real estate. In fact, a lot of the show deals with questions that you and other listeners send me via email, and we answer those questions. It's informative. It'll keep you up to date on the market. You might even get a chuckle or two. Sunday morning, 8:30 to 9 a.m. on 840 WHAS. You can do a search for it on Google or on a smartphone or on your computer, and it will come up and just click and play. That's it. We're out of time. I'm Bob Sokoler, the Sokoler team, RE/MAX Properties East. Thanks for watching.